Hi, I'm Nicole.
And I'm Heath, and we're with Living Meta.
And we're getting ready to put together a two-part series to enhance our immune system, especially at this time.
Yeah, very important way to stay healthy is learning about your lymphatic vessels, how to stimulate and activate your body's waste management system. And we'll be doing this by reviewing different anatomical structures while we have an experiential review of activating both our nervous system, our lymphatic system with breathing, moving, and different therapeutic pressure point activation.
Let's activate. And it is based in our qigong practice and our practice with traditional Chinese medicine in enhancing our wei qi, our self-defense system according to traditional Chinese medicine.
So let's build both the Western medical perspective and an Eastern medical perspective and use this left-right brain experience to help live healthier, happier, and more energetically.
Yeah, and these techniques aren't just for you, but you can use them for your clients, for your students, as a way to continue to boost and create a robust experience of a healthy body.
Come join us. Let's play. Let's explore. Let's practice together.